Hey, hi, though. I thought we would talk a little bit about solar setups. Considering I have an e-bike, which is run by battery, you need to charge it. Everybody asks what's the best setup. Well, so far, this is the setups that I've been using. This yellow one is new. This is the old Patriot. And actually, there is panels that come with the Patriot. They're 25 watt. They suck. Patriot, you should be putting out better stuff considering the name. But it is at least still hanging in there and kicking. Could be worse. This is a new one I got. And I am learning really quickly that unless you know something about the brand and are capable of getting in contact with the brand, don't order it. I like this machine. It's 600 volts. That'll charge my bike and still give me extra. But the solar hookup, I am not getting to work. I do not know why. I don't buy these things to plug them into the wall to charge. I buy them because I need to hook them up to solar. And if the solar don't work, then it's a worthless charge. I've been charging it up through the thing here, which charges it up but then drains that one. I bought this, which actually I like this. This is a new, and I actually got this from Temu. Alright, it's 100 watts. Got a package in the back. And that's how you hook these up. This is pretty sweet. It has actually turned this damn thing into a charging demon. But yeah, I'm still got the new one here. And I like the new one. I do, except for the solar. And you can charge this thing up and it'll last for days. Alright, where this is only a 3. And yeah, 2, you might get 2 days if you're just running your phone and, tablet or whatever. But you try to charge your bike, it ain't gonna last that long. I have a small solar panel. This is a 50. Has the same kind of hookup here. And this is what I'm rolling with on my solar.